Greetings traders. Today I just wanted to give you an update. There is a big fall in Nifty today. If you haven't seen my previous videos, I will recommend all of you to go and watch that. Until you do that, you will not understand this video, right? So until last week, if you have seen my last videos, you must have seen that the total profit on this trade was around 5,000 rupees, but because of today's fall in Nifty, which was almost 600 points initially, markets did recover after that, but then uh, the losses, the MTM losses that I was looking at was more than 5,000 rupees. So my trade went from 5,000 rupees of profit to 5,000 rupees of loss. But when Nifty started to recover, that's when these losses have come down from 5,000 to 2,300 right now. So during that time, I did few adjustment and which I wanted to demonstrate today. So again, as market was sliding down, what I did was I did apply the very same adjustment method, right? What I did was if you remember, this was my hedge earlier, 16,800 P, which because market was sliding down, I rolled up my put side hedge by 100 points up, right? I moved from 16,800 to 16,900, right? If you see my order book here, I booked my profit. I initially I bought this 16,900 put for 300 rupees, and I exited my 16,800 P for 243 rupees. What this adjustment has done for my trade is I was able to uh, decrease the width of my spread by 100 points, right? I moved from 800 to 900, that is 100 points. But during that, when I moved it, I basically lost this 300 minus 243, that is 57 points, right? So 57 point is what I've given up. But at the same time, if you remember, my last loss or maximum loss on P side was around 70 points, but with this adjustment it has come down to 23 points now, right? 73 minus 57, that is going to be 16 or 13 rupees of 13 rupees of loss that I could get maximum, right? But then now you can see this, my trade is looking like a lossless trade on the P side until 15,374 here. And why is that? There are a couple of more adjustment which I did, right? So if you see, there are a couple of options, call side things that I have booked. 17,700 call and 18,200 call. I basically booked around 800 to 900 rupees of profit from this call side, and I shifted my call side uh, to 17,300 now. If you see now, 17,200 call, and I have overpowered this trade, right? Instead of just one lot, I have sold. I did a martingale kind of a strategy wherein I booked the profit on 18,200 and I rolled it down from 18,200 to 17,200, because I am of opinion now that Nifty will take a lot of time to break this 17,000 resistance now, because it was a very big support until yesterday. It will act as a big resistance going forward, right? So that is one adjustment. And another adjustment which I did, if you see that I initially initiated or entered the position into 16,000 P, because market slid down today, I have to book this 2,700 rupees of loss here, and I rolled back all my P's from 16,000 P to 15,400. Here again I did a martingale. I booked a loss on one lot, but then I initiated, or I entered, or I shorted 4 lots of 15,400 P just to control some delta moves on the call side. If Nifty gaps up tomorrow, I should be able to control this 17,200 call on the front side. So effectively these are the few adjustment I did on my trade. So now if you see, my trade has become a lossless trade now. So if you see, if in Nifty, if Nifty expires in December, expiries from 15,405 until 17,325, I am going to get 5,298 rupees of profit. And if at all it comes to our 17,100 level, that profit can go up to 19,000 rupees, because if you remember, our main trade is 17,300 straddle or butterfly, right? So this is the adjustment I did today, which I want to record to my trading journal, and I would like to share with you. So today, though we can see there is a loss of 2,300 rupees here, but then if Nifty stays between 15,400 to around 17,200, we are going to collect almost 100 points of premium here. So thank you very much for watching this video. I will come up with next video if I do any adjustment to this trade. Thank you very much.